Welcome to solverfy.
In a 2 to the k factorial design where k is the number of factors, there are 2 to the k runs. So in this case, there are 2 to the 4 or 16 runs. But since you have 5 center points, you need to add these to the runs. So the total number of runs is going to be the 16 from the factorial design plus 5, the number of center points, which is 21, and that's choice D. For number 2, to determine the degrees of freedom available for pure error estimation in this design, you need to subtract the degrees of freedom from the main effects and interaction effects from the total degrees of freedom. So we have 4 factors in total, because k is 4, and the total degrees of freedom for main effects then is 4 minus 1, subtracting 1 because there's always 1 degree of freedom used up by the constant term. The total degrees of freedom for 2 factor interactions is 4 choose 2, which is equal to 6. This is the combinations of 4 factors taken 2 at a time. So the total degrees of freedom would be 3 from the main effects plus 6 from the interactions, which is 9. However, since you have 5 center points in this design, you need to subtract their degrees of freedom as well. Each center point uses 1 degree of freedom. And so you would subtract the 5 center points, leaving you with 4 degrees of freedom available for pure error estimation, which is choice D.